Hello guys, today we're making juice.
What kind of juice?
I don't know.
Veggies and fruit.
So this is how you turn it on. You press this. And you have, this is the garbage one, and this is like to make the juice. So we're gonna put an apple in here. We're gonna turn it on.
So we're getting apple juice?
No, it's making orange.
Yeah, because of the carrots?
Yeah, it's making carrot. Ew!
Ew!
Yeah, gross.
Apple juice.
Apple juice. I opened it.
So we put in apple and carrots
Carrots.
Mine.
With a carrot.
and pineapple and celery.
Yeah, we got celery.
You want to try one?
This.
Mm.
Look how close it. Look at the car.
Did it do anything?
So you can put it on.
I'm just going to my phone. Mommy, I'm just going to my phone.
There you go. So you can put more stuff in there and then it keep going down. Maybe. Let's put something. No?
Mommy, how you turn that thingy on?
This thingy.
Hey, look, that.
Oh, ventilador.
Is this a kiwi? Ew, it's like green. It's not supposed to be green.
Can I do it garbage? Kiwi!
Kiwi!
And now you can push it down.
Guys, guess what, guys? Spider.
Wow! You have a spider there.
Another apple.
This is my little pet. She's so nice. Touch her. She's gonna be nice.
Wow.
Touch her. She's gonna be nice.
So bright.
Touch it. She's gonna be nice.
Oh my god, it jumped.
But mommy, it doesn't come to me. You need glove, mommy.
Oh, I see.
You need glove.
So it's stuck. Stuck. Go ahead, son.
She,
I don't
When
know. They call it
you
like
can use-
Chinese apple.
but she doesn't know. She don't bite when I take the glove off. Look.
She's nice.
Okay, okay.
And I'm to go to part 2.
You're changing colors.
Yeah.
So it gets green when you put green, it gets orange. Turn to orange.
Push.
Mommy, my clothes are here. Mommy, look, my look. Shine.
Shiny, so shiny.
It's like an alligator or like something eating it. Okay guys, so before you start like putting the fruits in, you have to wash them and cut them. Because if not, they won't fit and you have to wash all the like bacteria off of them. Carrot.
Presta atención que la basura seguro que va para el resto.
All done.
Yep.
So now it's time to try it.
Okay, now we have to mix it.
So time to try it. Little bit for you, little bit for Daniela.
My yucky.
No, it's so yummy.
But I don't
That's good.
like it.
No, it's not bad. Yeah? So it's 1, 2, 3. Try first, you'll see. Smell good?
It smells like celery.
Celery, okay.
No
quiere?
I just got apple juice solo here.
Kiwi, carrot, pineapple. Who wins? Apple? Celery is the winner. Who's the winner?
It tastes good, but it tastes bad at the same time. So like I kind of like it.
Pasó
But smash the like button.
Push, 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 push back.
Like,
Otra vez.
subscribe, share, and like.
Smash it here, here, here. Push, 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 push. Smash it here, here.
My
Peekaboo. I can see you. I